Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have the XUNYING no tie shoelaces. This is a good helper in life. And so I got these ones here. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So if you have regular shoelaces that you got to tie, and they're just regular ones, what you get here is you get these laces, which are stretchy. Look at that. They're stretchy and they're strong and they're good. And so it'll stretch nice and big. And so what you do is you unlace your regular shoe, you lace your new one with these, and you see there's all this extra here. And so what I've kind of done here, I left it open, is you tie a little, you put this little clip piece in here, you tie the knot, and then you put the other piece over it, and then it seals it in, so it'll look like that at the end. And you can kind of cut it off, so then all you have left is that little nub. And then you have, look at this, it's stretchy shoelaces, so they stretch open instead of it just being a regular shoelace that you got to tie. It'll always pull itself tight. So I put these on a few minutes ago. Obviously, the magic of the internet, it didn't just happen by itself, but compared to my other shoes, so I just slipped those on. So I just left these tied and slipped them on just to give it a comparison. And this one here, I have it with the stretchy one, and clearly these ones here, because they are stretchy, they are pulling tighter than this one here. I need to go and cinch it up and tie it up again or whatever like that, or just if I just want to leave it as a slip on, I leave it so loose, then it doesn't work very good, then it's just too loose. So these are great. So if you need some good stretchy shoelaces, I got black. These shoes here aren't the ones I'm actually gonna put them on in the end. I just wanted to demo it while I had the shoes here, so I need to untie them and stuff. So that's why I did not yet cut the ends off, but that's will be what you do. And so it's super easy to do. I mean, you just feed them through like regular shoelaces, and then it's nice and stretchy. So these are really awesome to have. I love these things. Here's the instructions here too. Also, when you cut it off, it says to kind of burn the edges so it doesn't unfray itself. But I mean, the pictures are there. I think it explains them in words on the back, which is basically the same thing, if you like to read instead of looking at pictures. But it's simple. You lace them through and you put the little ends on. So easy, and it makes your shoes some tying shoelaces into no tie shoelaces. So these are great. I mean, there's so much extra lace too. You could probably do 3 shoes with these, but these are great and I like them, and thumbs up for me.